Hi Leo, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your July the 14th to July the 17th reading. So Leo, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. So kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, nasa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV, no? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience, no? So Leo, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Leo. Ayan. So, ang gusto ko lang po sabihin sa inyo, kung gusto niyo manalo, no, ng private reading, tapusin niyo po itong video, no? So, magsimula na tayo, Leo. Ang nakikita ko dito, parang, ang sabihin natin medyo nagdadalawang isip tayo dito sa taong ito, no? Sabihin natin na fall na rin tayo or meron na talaga tayong nararamdaman, no? Yung iba parang gusto nating bigyan ng chance. Pero I think na because of what happened from you, no, sa past mo, um, dumating dun sa point na nawalan ka ng tiwala sa tao. Sa mga tao actually, no? Sa isang katauhan per se, you lost faith in humanity. Kasi parang feeling nyo, itong mga taong lumalapit sa inyo, sila yung mga taong either sasaktan ka lang, bibigyan ka lang ng sakit ng ulo, no? Kumbaga, um, hindi, hindi, parang feeling mo lahat ng tao magiging kaaway mo kapag pinatuloy mo sila sa buhay mo, no? Um, I think that this person, no, na gustong makilala kang mabuti, no, gustong pumasok sa buhay mo, this is a person trustworthy um of a chance, no. I think that this person also will restore your faith in humanity. Yung nasabi nga dito, no, it's okay to doubt a person. And actually, that is your, sabihin natin, way of protecting yourself. And lahat naman tayo, no, dumadating dun sa part na, of course, dapat okay nga yung ginagawa mo, no. Inoobserbahan ko muna yung tao bago ko patuloyin, no. You're very much meticulous and very careful with your close friends, even the close friends, no? Parang sa hindi ko kailangan na napakaraming kaibigan. Basta yung quality over quantity, di ba? Para sa'yo, okay lang ding maliit ang circle of friends. Hindi naman kailangan, porkit ba, pag sinabi natin napakadami mong kaibigan, mabuti kang tao. No. Di ba? Um, Sometimes, sa dami mong kaibigan, mas marami ka pang nagiging kaaway. Aminin nyo yan, no? Okay lang sa yung close friends. So, kumbaga, you are evolving, you are also appreciating small group of people as long as dapat totoo sa'yo, no? Um, I also feel like itong taong to masyado mo siyang inoobserbahan. I feel like na pag may nakikita kang red flag, um, inaalis mo agad yung sarili mo. That's okay in a bit, pero I feel like itong taong ito, no, let's say meron siyang reputation, no. Hindi lang si Taylor Swift ang may reputation album, pati itong taong to. I feel like ang reputation nito is um, parang either chick boy, no, playboy, playgirl, ganyan. Um, it doesn't matter yung kanyang pronouns, no. Um, he, she, it, no, they, them, don't matter. Pero I think that you have to know the person also, give this person a chance to enter your life or at least bigyan mo siya ng chance na makilala din. I think the reputation in here is misconstrued. I think the reputation here is misunderstood, no? You're going to find the reason why this person has that reputation. And I feel like that is, I mean, the reason, no, is because this person is somehow katulad mo. Pero kasi, this person is more of taking risk, no? Katulad mo in a way na meron siyang mga walls, mga boundaries na kapag na na-touch or na kumbaga anong sabihin natin dito yung um, nasagi kumbaga, no, is you're going to put an end, no, or this person is going to put an end. Yung sa kanya kasi nagte-take ng risk, no, taking actions. Yung sa'yo talaga is no, close ang door ko. Yun lang yung pagkakaiba. But I feel like this person is going to change your life. This person also is going to also give you a lot of gifts, no, not a bribe, but this is gifts can be a gift of love, a gift of peace of mind, no. Doesn't always it doesn't always have to be necessary na material, no. Baka ito na nga yung taong para sa'yo. Actually, this person, no, sabihin na rin natin, may pagnanasa sa'yo, no. Wag natin din masyadong romanticize yung tao. Of course, tao yan. May libog din yan, no? Nakakaramdam din yan ng mga ganun. So, apart from that, meron naman kasing feelings, no? It's not just a matter of, oy, nalilibugan ako, kaya gusto kita, no? Part yun, pero may part dun ng feelings, no? Actually, this person already fell in love with you prior you giving them a chance. Kaya siguro nagkakaroon siya ng reputation na ang dami kasi nagiging jowa, kaya medyo iniiwas mo yung sarili mo. So that's the thing, no? Ako na magsasabi na kaya siya nagkakaroon ng ganong reputation na parang patalon-talon sa iba-ibang tao. Kasi pag nasasaktan siya or nakikita niyang may mali, I would not give this person a chance. I would rather search for a new one, no? Kaya meron siyang kumbaga judgment ng mga tao na playboy playgirl, no. It's actually a match, the two of cups. So what I am seeing in here is, yeah, the universe is actually giving you a chance or pushing you, no. Ang ganda-ganda ng cards eh. I think that this person is very honest when it comes to their feelings, no, or going to be honest when it comes to their feelings. The reputation is actually far beyond the person itself, no. Meron naman talagang ganon, di ba? Minsan, bad boy, bad girl image, pero deep inside, napaka buting tao, no. Aminin nyo yan, kung sino pa nga madalas sa simbahan, siya pa ang ano, no. Hindi lahat, 'di ba? Pero it's becoming a kind of like an observation na kung sino pa yung mga nasa simbahan palagi. Sila pa ang mga sabihin natin hindi makatao, no? We're not talking about religion. The Hierophant is here, sorry. No, the Hierophant also signifies the Pope. But I'm not referring to the Pope. I actually love the Pope right now for those Christians, no? If you know, you know. What I am seeing in here, the Temperance, is I think that you have to give this person a chance. I think that this person is also going to give you some sort of a different experience, and it kind of going to give you a sort of high feelings, no? Let's check the emotion. So, bigyan mo na ng chance. Yun ang sabi, no? It all boils down to trust the person. Give this person a chance. Nothing, kumbaga, it's worth the risk, no? Ayan. So, baka practicing nyo lang din, no? Baka mamaya, kiloid na yan. You know what I mean? Our love will never cease to exist. So what I'm seeing in here is parang ito yung sinasabi na this will gonna be a lasting commitment or forever, no? I feel like no one is going to compare also the relationship or the experience that you're gonna have with this person. You light up my world. And I feel like, this is also a feeling of yours na aminin man natin, somehow, matutuwa din tayo kapag yung person na to is around, di ba? So, again, worth the risk. Tignan natin ang zodiac sign ng taong ito, no? It could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Leo, baka kapwa Leo, no? Taurus, Sagittarius, Pisces, Virgo, Cancer, Scorpio. Yan. So, this is your reading, no, Leo? So, paano nga ba makasali sa tinatawag nating raffle entry, no? So, kaya tayo late. Ito muna, ichichika ko muna sa inyo. Kaya tayo late sa pag-post ng videos. Kasi imbes na nakafocus ako sa paggawa ng videos, umaalis pa ako ng bahay, nakikipag-usap ako sa mga tao, dahil nandyan pa rin ang fake account, no? I cannot do it without you guys, no? Siyempre, I need to protect my, speaking of reputation, no? Dahil may gumagaya nga sa account, no? So, may mga reports na rin sa akin na may mga nabibiktima ito, no? So, pretending to be me, nasa akin naman yung mga numbers and yung names na ginagamit, no? I want you to know na this is a team effort, no? So, nakikiusap ako sa inyo to report the account, then screenshot, nasa description box naman yan, yung report the fake account, no? Tapos gumawa ako ng email, screenshot, and then email it to me dun sa email din na nasa description box, para dun lang ako kukuha ng entries for the reading, no, private reading, and it's free. One entry or one screenshot, one entry. Ngayon, para mas okay siya, ibahin nyo naman yung time. Baka mamaya, let's say 11 o'clock, 3 beses nyo siyang nireport. So, that will be considered as one, report. So, iba-ibahin nyo naman yung time. Report as many as you want, no? Mas maganda yung medyo complicated, no? Yung scams din, pwede yun. And I'm going to consider that as one entry. So this is your reading, Leo. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash it, the like button. So, pag nagapi natin yun, that's the time we're in. I'm going to get a winner, no, as a thank you na rin. So, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Gusto nyo po ng dalawang reading dun po sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV, no? Nagla-live din po tayo doon. So, you're very much welcome. Pero kung hindi nyo naabutan yung live, pwede po kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And Leo, I want you to know na kung meron po kayong mga questions, no, at hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no, sa description box nandun po ang aking link, no, sa website. So sa website po, nandun po yung sabihin natin na the transactions, no, nandun po ang aking number, no, nandun po ang name na pwede nyong i-match, no. Kapag iba yung number, iba yung kunyari may tumawag sa inyo, and I doubt, no, na yun pa lang, kapag may tumawag, nag-reach out sa inyo, hindi na ako yun, no. Kailangan kayo yung lalapit, no? So, you may want to check on the number, the name that you can compare. No, I'm not associated with anyone. And if also, no, nandun po yung question form, no, nandun din po how much per reading, I mean per question. So, nandun din po itong question form. I created a 4 question plus 1. Take advantage of it. And if you also want to avail our private reading, nandun din po siya, no? Sa description box. So, this is your reading. Leo, love and light to you. Namaste. And see you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.